Morning, Judd here. I'm going to go out and do some more gardening. I've got a couple of things, a couple of plans that I'm hoping to get accomplished. I'm overwhelmed. I got so much stuff and so many limited spaces to use it. I think I've figured out solutions for a couple of things, so I'm going to put those into play, hopefully. I've got my chest camera rig here on again. This again, it didn't work last time. I had to add an extra doohickey here because this thing wouldn't come back far enough. One thing I've already started is it's still damn cold out there. So I brought these in here and set up this temporary base, as it were, just to keep these warm because I don't want to lose my pencil cactus. I love my pencil cactus and the other cactus and the billion-dollar babies there. So until it starts getting warm out, I've just brought these in. I'm going to bring a few more in. Place to put plants that need it warm like me. If it's too cold for me out there, it's probably too cold for the plants, even though they're supposed to live outside. We're going to get underway and we'll see what happens. My back has been killer all week. My lumbar and hips have been out really bad, so I've been a wreck. You know, when I had all this dumped on me, it was like probably one of the physically worst times I've had in quite some time. But I'm feeling better today, so I don't know how far I'm going to get, but we'll see what we can get done. So that's the thing. That's the barrier. The game is to get these plants in the ground before they die. The barrier is my physical condition, and it's cold out. And the reward is I get a bunch of plants that are doing okay and make the place look better. So there's the game. Okay? First thing is I want to get the rest of the monkey grass in. That means breaking up the rest of this dirt so I can get all these weeds out. Good. Okay, so that area now cleaned up and ready for the monkey grass. First we're going to rake all the crap up. Okay, here's this big hunk of monkey. As you can see, the roots. That. Boom. Roots down, roots down. Nice. Hey, come on, get those roots down. Nice, nice. Okay. Is this more? That's another little thing. Yeah, we'll give it a shot. Okay. Roots down. Roots down. Okay. Okay, good. One big one left over. Okay, I know we're going to stick this. Now I'm operating on the principle that this stuff keeps other weeds out of here. If this does good here, then I can line the whole front of this. Maybe that'll take, and then I can do this whole front edge with the monkey grass. This whole garden's got to be all cleaned up. Break time. Okay, monkey grass continues. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Now we'll take it down here to the other side of the water outlet. Up here. Get this up here. There we go. See how much I got left. I got a whole bunch left there. Can you see it over there? Okay. I might not get as far as I hoped today.